Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel. So first, before creating a YouTube channel, you need to make sure that you create a Google account or a Gmail account. After you have that Gmail account, you can just open your YouTube apps and then sign in with your Google account. And after that, here, when you go to your profiles, there will be this options to create a channel. You can just, here I have a few accounts. There will be this options under your YouTube profile. There will be this create a channel, but since I have already created one, so this is my channel. And if you want to view your channel, you can just click on this. If you want to do some editing about your channel, here you can see this is my channel. You can click on more about this channel, and if you want to edit it, you can just click on these three dots icon and go to settings, and here you can do some editing. So you can go back again to your channel, and here you can click on this pencil icon. If you want to change the name of your channel, the handle, the channel URL, in here you can share it with your friends to get more followers. And here you can also add descriptions about your channel by clicking on this description and tells people what your channel is about. You can click on save after that here. And if you want to create a playlist, you can just click on the playlist in here, and then you can add your own playlist. And here, if you have videos, you can click on the manage videos. Here you can upload video short and also do YouTube live if you want to. So that's pretty much all. So basically you need to just create a Google account to have a YouTube channel. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.